What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny A back at you guys with another video. So today I'm gonna talk about 10 top stocks that millennials are buying. These are the hottest stocks with millennials that you guys should look into and consider buying for the fall of this year. So number one is gonna be Tesla. Tesla announced a stock split just like Apple, making it cheaper for young investors to buy. Now, Tesla, if you guys don't know who Tesla is, they're an electric vehicle maker. They've been one of the 2020's most popular and controversial stocks of this year, but they gained more than 650% throughout the year, which is probably the most I've seen in a while. Tesla should be the stock you guys should be buying. Millennials are currently buying. Tesla will be number one on the list. Number two is going to be Apple. Now, Apple stock also announced a stock split, lowering the share price, like I said, to make it affordable for younger and smaller retail investors. Now, Apple did not announce a new iPhone yet, but they are expected to unveil its first 5G iPhone sometime this year. They're making progress in its transition from hardware sales revenue to a higher margin, more reliable subscription revenue model. The shares are up more than 60% year to date, and they're probably, I believe, they're the first publicly traded U.S. company to reach a $2 trillion market cap. So Apple, definitely a stock millennials are buying, and you should as well. So number three is going to be Boeing Co. stock. Now, Boeing is a completely different investment. They're a blue chip aerospace company that manufactures commercial jets and military aircraft. Now, Boeing fell on hard. They fell hard on hard times well before the 2020 health crisis. But last year, the second quarter, the revenue was down 25% from a year ago. But millennials are anticipating a rebound ahead. I definitely feel as well that they will rebound further out throughout the year, maybe going into next year. But this is definitely a stock you guys should buy and hold for the future. And millennials are doing that with this stock. So number three, this was number three. Number four is going to be AMD stock, Advanced Micro Devices. They're one of the world's largest suppliers of PC graphics processors and microprocessors. They reported a 26% revenue growth last quarter. They're also a work and play from home environment, so a lot of people are working from home. They also reported that the server processor market share surpassed 10% in the second quarter, and the company has been gaining severe market share from market Intel Corp. So it looks like Intel Corp has been helping them as well. The shares are up about 75% year to date. So Advanced Microsoft Devices, AMD stock you should buy and keep for a while. So that's that. Next is going to be a well-known stock, Microsoft stock, another tech giant that's benefited from the work from home environment. Now the Microsoft revenue and adjusted earnings were up 12% and 14% respectively. The commercial cloud revenue led the way with 36% growth. Microsoft shares are already up more than 30% in this year, and a lot of millennial investors see more upside in the second half of the year. So Microsoft, definitely a stock millennials are buying and you guys should get as well. Next one will be Facebook stock. Facebook is going to be interesting to see what happens during the November US elections, but Facebook right now are up more than 30% year to date. Facebook also reported 11% revenue growth and a whopping 98% net income growth last quarter. And a lot of the engagement on the Facebook platform happened during a lockdown. So Facebook is always a stock to have, to buy and hold as well for the future. So that's that for now. Next one is going to be Amazon. Amazon stock. Um, what can I say? Amazon. All millennials are using Amazon services daily. I use it. Um, it's been crazy what Amazon has been able to accomplish. Jeff Bezos, smart man. You can see here as well. I don't even have to like explain Amazon to you guys. You guys see the improvement. $1,846 a share in March. It even reached all the way to 3,300. Amazon's revenue grew 34% and its earnings were up 26%. Um, they're up more than 70% so far in 2020. What more can I say? Amazon's the stock you guys should have, buy, and hold as well. So, Neo is going to be the next company that millennials are currently buying and should consider buying as well. Now, Neo is often referred to as the Tesla of China. So, Neo shares are up more than 300% year to date. You can see here on the chart, they're currently valued at $19.41. Go back all the way to March. A stock was at $2.40, up more than 300% year to date. You can see why young investors are excited about this. The huge improvement, nearly 140% revenue growth in the second quarter and 64% improving in operating losses. We're going to see how it plays out, but definitely one that a lot of people aren't talking about. Millennials are buying. You guys should buy as well. So Neo stock will be that. The next one. Next on the list, I have Nvidia stock. Nvidia stock are like AMD with high-end graphics. They're a card maker, top performer in 2020, gaining about 110% year to date. The momentum in August reported a 50% increase in second quarter revenue. The company's data center revenue more than doubled compared with a year ago. The data center revenue got a boost from NVIDIA's $7 billion buyout of networking products and solutions provider Mellonix Technologies. The gaming segment of NVIDIA was also up 26%. And a lot of investors are hoping that the launch of next generation gaming consoles in the second half of the year will trigger a PC gaming upgrade cycle as well. NVIDIA, great stock for millennials, should buy and should buy and hold. And the last one on the list, it's gonna be Delta Airlines. Now, I know a lot of people haven't been traveling. Delta shares are down more than 40% because of the sharp decline in air traffic and air travel. It could take years to fully recover, but it's definitely a buy and hold stock for me because I see this going back up when everything slowly recovers, and I just feel that way once everything is back to normal. Hope I'm praying to God that everything goes back to normal. The economy just starts to get better again. This stock will improve. I'm believing more. So currently it's at $32.84. You're gonna see. I feel like I said, you're gonna see an improvement probably going to next year. I'm hoping that they also have a dividend yield, which you can't complain. Delta Airlines will be my last one on the list. So just to go over what I announced on all the stocks I announced on here, one will be Tesla. Number two will be Apple. Number three will be Boeing Co. Number four will be AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. Number five will be Microsoft. Number six would be Facebook. Number seven, Amazon. Number eight, Neo. Number nine, NVIDIA Corp. And number 10, Delta Airlines. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. definitely looking on to if you're a millennial, definitely look into these stocks. You guys should definitely buy at least one share, hold on to it, and see how it profits over time. These are definitely the hottest stocks currently right now, profiting, and will help you in your portfolios as well. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Like the video, leave me your comments below on what stocks you're buying. And I appreciate all the support all you guys have been giving me. So until the next video, I will see you guys then. Peace.